Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to delete column in Wix table. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. So this is our Wix table. Now click on it and then you see manage table. So we double click on it. Now you see manage table. So we are going to delete column. Now you see we have 5 column. Now you see ID. So click on it and then you see delete. So click on it. Now close and then you see ID column deleted in our Wix table. So you can delete any column in your Wix existing table. Now you see manage table. So click on it. You see we have 4 columns left. Now click on publish. Now publish done and then you see your site is published. Go to website page and refresh the page. So we are in about page and then scroll down, go to table section. So this is our table and you don't see ID column field. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.